Liz's creation.
Where
Marshmallow brownies.
The mugs. Are they in there?
I need a mug.
Where the mugs at?
We sipping out the
Yo, why you
Kasar
fiending all of a sudden,
cup.
bruh?
We sipping out the Kasar
You was
cup.
just chilling 1 second ago.
Free Kasar, man. Free Kasar.
Why are you saying Kasar?
Free Kasar, man. The cup say Kasar
Show
on it.
him, bro. Show.
The cup say Kasar on it, man. Free Kasar, man. Free him from the UK, man. Like,
He in that UK prison.
in that jail, man. Free Kasar. Free young
Is
Zar.
there any visible marshmallow in it?
I don't know. Yeah, I know.
Sipping that milk, too. Sipping that milk with the
I
brownies.
think that shit disintegrated. The marshmallows in there.
The marshmallows evaporated?
Yeah. I can't even find it.
Alright, live taste test, Keish.
Yeah, I think this one might have one. Like, that was a giant ass marshmallow.
Why you dancing, bro? It's good? The brownie goat.
I want that, bro.
Yo,
Yo, bro. Yo, bro.
you gotta try it.
Yo, I haven't even had food.
Today?
No, we ate breakfast, right, babe? And then that was it.
Yeah. Breakfast.
Nah, the texture is crazy on those though.
Yeah, they fudgy as hell.
Damn. It's just slapping different.
This
It's got marshmallows in them
These the best brownies
They got
we made.
marshmallows
so far.
We.
The best.
You said we made?
Yeah.
We, who's we? Eat the motherfucker like this, though.
Son got brownies. It can't be that good, bro.
I just got me fried, yo. Like, one more. Brownies got me banging, bro.
Thoughts, bro. We eating brownies and you worry about ice cream.
Brownies with the ice cream, you go to Applebee's route. You ever had the
so
Applebee's with the ice cream with the melted lava cake? Like, y'all don't know about that. This basically that right now. We don't got ice cream. It's TJ.
It's better because it's homemade. Let me see if I can demonstrate.
Oh my god. Bro, you're fucking flying.
Shit is fuzzy, yo.
Shit fudgelicious. What the fudge? Alright. I gotta illustrate to you. Oh, that was not a good pour.
Now, one brownie left in here is diabolical.
Keish murdered them. Yo! Yeah. Yo, you doing the drunkie lane, bro. The sugar level's all out of whack now.
Just one more in the living room.
Just kicking shit.
You outdid yourself, Liz.
Thank you. I'm glad y'all like her.
Nobody want that last one?
You don't have to run and get it.
You get a bigger suit and get more airtime. No, I told you, bro. I had to work. You can have it.
Yo, let me get a piece, bro, please.
Y'all splitting rations like this, bro?
Bro, he's destroying every single one of them. Not looking back. Yo, we appreciate you, Liz. You know what you did today. Never forget that. Our second blizzard of 2026.
Somehow. No, they said it was the first.
This long jump shit.
How? Didn't we get fucking 12 inches of
This
snow?
is the second. There was a
Yeah, there
well, it
was
was a snowstorm, not a blizzard.
Oh.
Them brownies didn't even last 5 minutes. Whole pan, gone. History. Yo. Keish. You think she's talking to us, right? We the only ones out here, bro. It's blizzarding. And there's a lady yelling right in front of the building. Why she stop? Why she looking at us?
What? Watch out.
Keish, stop trolling. What is she saying? You wanna go see what she's talking about?
That ass young boy.
Let's go see, bro. That's a side quest. Oh yeah. Should we? You think she's a tweaker?
Yes. Nigga, she's outside in this weather yelling at niggas. That's a 2v1 all black car.
I don't know what she yelling about. But she's tweaking. I don't know why she was so scary. But there's literally nobody out here. And she's just out here hooting and hollering. We heard voices before we could even see anything. I'm kind of curious what she wanted. You see her? Hello? What if she just popped out? We saw someone in the distance straight ahead. I am scared. I feel like she about to pop out from behind the car. Keish jacking she a video game character.
That was a ghost, yo. How the fuck she walk us down yelling? We barely walked anywhere and she's completely gone.
She just disappeared that fast. There's no way.
Where y'all was sliding?
Yeah. Shit was too deep last time, but you can give it a try if you want.
That go to sleep already.
I know, that's what I was saying. Fall asleep in the snow. Sit, try sitting, yeah. Either or. It's too deep, right? You're gonna have to get more on a slant. Let me see if I can pull you.
Hell no. This is way too deep.
Nigga thought he was him.
I'm glad you got that okay.
That shit hurt. Fuck. Damn near bit my tongue off. Oh, my whole skull shook. That shit gonna hurt in the morning. You supposed to do a backflip too.
Nigga, how no, not like that, man.
I could do it, bro. If I did that shit again, that shit would be perfect. I was just warming up, you know. You know the vibes. A little warm up. Had to get a feel for it. Somebody make it talk. Chill out there, chill out there. Shit fell? You're a bot. Paraguay. No case? No case, he's wildin'. We're making a TikTok and slide, bro. It's too pro for this shit. Yeah. It's fucking brick, dog. Fucking brick blog. This shit can't be open, right? They need to clean this boot up. They need to clean this boot up. That wind, bro. Why you hitting that pose? You look like an unk taking family photos. Bro, scared of heights. That wind not playing. Why you running, bro? The wind not gonna take you. You think you 5 pounds? Bro, think you a featherweight.
I'm nervous, bro. I don't like heights.
That man really sprinted away from the edge. Funny as shit for him. The view up here is immaculate. My goodness. Look at that. Beautiful. Did you come up here in the summer? Ice hands. Quit trying. It's the 2026 blizzard. We supposed to have 2 feet of snow, and it's not stopping anytime soon. They put a travel ban on the city until tomorrow afternoon. Me and Keish out here gotta make the most of these rare conditions. It's 4 in the morning. It don't matter. Look at the view, man.
Oh, hey, oh! Okay, first try T. Let me use him. First try T, you like that? My fault, T, I doubted you, son. Oh, it's cool, you know. Hey, he's snowballing. Oh, shit. He's slow with it. He's slow, yo! You gotta ski that motherfucker. Yo! Nigga really fell off that. Come on, Sean, what the fuck? Ah!
Yeah. Tired as hell. We out?
Out, young man.
Gotta eat that food.
Saltfish and dumplings, man.
We gone. Oh yeah. Nigga, the wind just left the track. Oh yeah. Shit lucky. Step to the side one more this way. Shit, man, I have a million pictures to go through. Oh my god, nigga, this shit wanna act right as soon as I'm looking through shit. Alright, yeah. Smoke, smoke. Oh wait, nah, you good. I think I caught a couple. Shit, dead. I need to park up the flag. Need some heritage. Alright, I took a million, bro. I just been trying to get that flag the right way. Just gonna see them.